Welcome! If you're looking to spice up your Instagram conversations and express yourself with more than just words, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to react to Instagram messages with emojis using the latest update. Whether you want to send a quick thumbs up, a heart, or something a little more creative, these steps will have you reacting in no time. Let's get started. First, open up the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in, and then tap the messenger icon in the top right corner to open your direct messages. Scroll through your chats and select any conversation you want. You can pick a chat with a friend, a group, or even a business. This works everywhere. Now, find the message you want to react to. Here's the fun part: press and hold, or long press, directly on that message. After a second, a row of emojis will pop up right above the message. You'll see some of the most popular reactions, like the heart, thumbs up, laughing face, and more. If you see the emoji you want, just tap it, and your reaction will instantly appear below the message. But if you want to use a different emoji, look for the plus sign, usually at the end of the emoji row. Tap the plus sign, and you'll open the full emoji picker. Here, you can scroll through and choose any emoji you like. There are hundreds to pick from, so you can always find the perfect reaction for any moment. Once you select your emoji, it will show up right under the message, letting everyone in the chat know exactly how you feel. You can even change your reaction by repeating the same steps and picking a new emoji. That's all it takes. With just a few taps, you can make your Instagram conversations more fun and expressive. Try it out next time you're chatting and see how your friends react. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out more tips for mastering Instagram.